Good afternoon. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my cabin today. Today we're going to do a video for a feller in Canada. His name is Gillis. So hello Gillis. If you're getting this one, you have a family member that thinks a lot of you. That I would do a video and say hello to you at the same time. It's not really a coat. It's just one of my favorite shirts to wear. I also have a jacket made by the same people. So Gillis, this jacket or this shirt is made by Big Bill. I think there's a bit of tag in here. I know there is. Big Bill. Hard to find a green plaid shirt like that anymore, so I was pretty happy when that came about. And at the same time, I found my red jacket. I actually found the red jacket in a store, and that's how I knew the Big Bill. I found the jacket, and I said, as soon as I saw it, I bought it, because them kind of clothing that I like is hard to find. So I bought that, and then we went online and we found the company that makes them and found out they make shirts also. So that's where the green shirt came from. So Lawrence, hello to you too. I think Gillis is from, if I remember the email right, I think Gillis is from Quebec. You can straighten me out in the comments if I got it wrong. But I get so many comments, I try to remember where people are from. I hope I'm saying your name right, both of you. I butcher names terrible. But anyways, Lawrence, I'm sitting here at the cabin. I dug out my shirts. I did a video for you like I said I would do. It's cold enough to be wearing these big shirts right now. I'm out in the boat and it is absolutely freezing out there. This morning was only about 38 degrees, and when you get on the water's even colder than that. So, but what a time I'm having so far. I've got one nice salmon so far. I got a fish to show you. I got two today. One I had to throw back. One I kept legal, but nothing major. 16 inches. So nothing major there. I like the ones that are over 20. But, you know, a 16-inch salmon tastes pretty good. I've been waiting for the weather. Maybe tomorrow will be the best weather for lake trout fishing. We'll see. The way that I lake trout fish, I need it to be dead calm. So I don't want any wind at all because I troll so slow. And the wind just pushes the boat all over the place and just causes havoc, so. Well, get in, let's go for a boat ride. But I've been wearing those jackets, Gillis, for, well, two winters now. 2 winters, they're holding up nice. None of the buttons have fallen off. Really thick material. Something that I really like. Something I really like. Made right here in the USA. Which that's hard to find too, I believe, when it comes to clothing. But I hope you guys have good luck finding those. I'm taking a break right now. We're getting ready to make a rhubarb pie. So I gotta let that stand for 15 minutes. So I figured rather than just sitting here doing nothing, we'd turn on the video camera and have coffee together. So Gillis, if you drink coffee, get yourself a cup of coffee, and I'll have coffee with you. I have coffee with people all over the world now. Who would ever figure? I have quite a few subscribers from Australia. I have quite a few subscribers from Canada. And I cannot tell you how much, how much I like that. I have always loved the country of Canada. I mean, you guys are right here beside me. And I've always liked Australia. So when I see some people in the comments that are from Canada and from Australia, it gives me a little smile. I have over here to the left, down in Nova Scotia, I think at least 3 from Nova Scotia. And I'm pretty sure, I did for a while, had someone in New Brunswick, Canada, right next door. But I know the ones from Nova Scotia, they're on all of my videos. They get in on the live stream, so they're pretty active in the channel. And I do have some people from Quebec that are really active in the channel as far as leaving comments and getting in on the live streams and all of that. So, but what a crazy time, huh? We can all get together for a few minutes and have a live stream. Who would have ever thought of that 20 years ago? 20 years ago, I'd go on a fishing trip, and that's all I did. Now we play around at nighttime after supper and have live streams. Well, Gillis, I hope you had a great cup of coffee. I hope you find that shirt. Look at the red coat. I'm not sure if they sell hats or not. I get my green hats out of New Hampshire. So I'll see you next week, and you have a great night.